Hi guys, in this session I'm going to show you how to invite your ideal client to attend your Facebook event. And so the reason why you want to do that is because in the previous session I showed you, how you can join other people's Facebook group and basically find your ideal client and add it to your Facebook friend list. But they are on your Facebook friend list doesn't mean they are going to become your client. Because you have to find a way to convert them. So I want to tell you a quick story about how I discovered this. Well, like I said, well, in the past I joined a lot of Facebook groups, and then I think I add a lot of people into my Facebook friend list. But it was quite a struggle. Like try to figure out a way how I can convert people. Should I send them a message? Yeah, I can send them a message to tell them my offer and to say, okay, this is the product I'm selling, this is a service I'm selling, and but because you just add them as a friend on Facebook, so basically there's no trust, there's no any relationship. You just find them from other people's Facebook group, add them as your Facebook friend. Then if you start pitching your product and start selling to them, and then pretty much they are going to block you on Facebook. So you will never be able to talk to anymore because they found that you are going to be spam. So I found that that's not a good way to do it. Then I said I need to find some of the more elegant, some of the more better way, to convert these people into the client. And this is a strategy I have discovered, by the way, and take me a while, like many months, try and error, try to find out as well. So I found out, Facebook actually. One of the great feature anyone can use, two of them. One is a Facebook group, another one is a Facebook event. Why? Is because let's say someone become friends with you on Facebook, and so in order for you to build the trust and a relationship, what you can do is you can add them to a community like a Facebook group. Then you can post the content, share content, educate them so they build a trust with you. And another way to do it is to invite them to a Facebook event, especially the event you are running. So they can attend your event, then you run a webinar. And then you educate them about who you are, what you do, and the product and service. By doing that, and they will become client. So that is a strategy, and I'm going to talk about it. And so step one is you do need to have a Facebook page. If you don't have it, I'm going to show you how to create it. It's really, really easy. Step two is you need to have a Facebook event on a page. So create an event on a page, really easy as well. And step three is create a group, and really simple. And another one is step four is invite your ideal client from your Facebook friend list to join your Facebook group. And step five is share your Facebook event with your Facebook group members and inside your Facebook group. And final step is invite your Facebook group member to attend this event. So I'm just going to use my Facebook as example to quickly show you. Step one is you need to create a Facebook page. So just Google search Facebook page. Then you're going to find this one. And then you're just going to click Facebook page. Then basically just create a Facebook page. So you just have a name, and so whatever name. So let's just say let's say for me, if I'm target real estate agent, I'm just going to say let's say real estate marketer. I'm just call something related to it. Category required. So category, let's say choose I have to say choose community. Why? That is the reason why as well. The reason why I choose a community is because your page will grow much faster once you have a community here. Okay, then description. So description here is really simple as well. Basically just tell them about what is your business is about. But here I wanted to explain to you how you can make it more appealing. So what I mean is, let's say you may write down, I am. So basically I'm a real estate marketer. Yeah, and who helps. What do? He helps real estate agent generate qualified leads using webinar marketing system. And so basically it's really simple as well. And so this is basically tell them all about. So character 25, you cannot write too many. Then you just create a page. So once you create a page, then what you can do is, let's say what has been happened. Let's say save. Okay, so once you create a page, what you can do is you may need to change the profile. So you may need to just follow the step. They have a step for you upload the image. So basically you upload the image, add a profile image. Profile image basically it is the icon. So if I just add a profile image, upload photos. Let's see if I got a picture. I'm just gonna use my picture. So this is my picture there. And then I'm going to add a cover photo. So cover photo is a background, and you just go to here. Do I have photo? No, I don't have photo. Because it's a new page, so I just upload photos. Let's say actually I don't have anything like that here, I think. But you get an idea, and so you will get an idea. So basically you add this one, and then that's pretty much all. That's all you need. And so once you finish, and that's your page. Once you finish, next one I show you how to create a Facebook group. So Facebook group is really easy as well. Just go to your Facebook. And then on the left hand side, you can see there's something called groups. Where is the groups? Yeah, groups. So you just go to groups, and then you can see this is a wall of the group you have joined. Let's say I have so many groups. Even if I have a group, I create as well. And so then say you're gonna create a new group. So just put a group name as well. What has been happened? Group name here. So let's say I may just put a real estate marketer. Yeah, just like that. So privacy, let's say public, and invite friends. So now you can invite people, and from the friend list, like I said, you have a friend list, and then you just go back to a friend list, and then start invite people into this group. Was trying to, because I don't want to invite anyone because it's just a new group. So you may just start inviting people into this group. Okay, once you invite people into this group, and next one I show you and how you can create an event on your Facebook page. And so basically, I just wanted to use a page I already got, because you have a bit idea about what's gonna look like. So this is one of my page, by the way. So I just show you, how you're gonna create event. So everyone's page look like this, by the way. So nothing fancy. And so this is the profile image looks like. This is the profile photo. That's a cover photo. So what I'm gonna do is then you're gonna create something called an event here. So basically you're gonna create an event. So if you just scroll down, and there is here called an event. So event can be online and in person. Most likely I would suggest you use an online event, because people just made it on on Facebook, and so it's just so much easy for you to invite them to attend an online event rather than an in-person event. Then you're gonna create an event. Then you're just gonna put an event name. So you're just gonna put what kind of name for the event, and the date and the time, and end the date and the time. I would suggest put it end the date, so people know how long is the event as well. And so let's say if I put an event, how to generate leads using webinar. I'm just give you an example because I'm not gonna really run the event, by the way. So let's say end the day would be 3 hours. Location, if it's online event, say the location you enter will be a time zone. So I'm in Sydney, so I just put Sydney here. That is a time zone. People know where the time zone is. Then description and blah blah blah. So what is the event about? Then category. And category is a bit tricky, but I would suggest you most of the your category in terms of business use something called networking. Looks like networking makes the most sense here. So you have the description, and so I'm just say here Lex, you only have a Facebook Live or external link. I would suggest you external link. Why? Because you wanted to get people to into an email list or CRM. So I would suggest you have an extra link like your website, like your have a web page, so people can sign up from there by doing that. And so you just have an external link. I've got an external link, so I'm just going to. I do have an external link. Brandy smash. This is my external link, by the way. This is because I got a, I got some special link, but okay. Once you finish, and then you can create an event. You can say it's free access, and even I'm not gonna create it because I'm not gonna run the event. Basically, I just show you what's look like. And so once you got an event, then your event is gonna be look like this. That is the event. I have done it, by the way. That's why I show you. So your event is gonna be look, guys. I've done this in the April 19, 2020. So I create an event and to invite the real estate agent to learn how to get a home center and buyer leads. And so I invite about 542 people and 17 people responded. And I think I got about 10 people attending a day. So this is my description look like. This is a title. Where is title? This is a title of the event. So this is a title, and this is a description, and this is a link, so they can go to here and sign up from there. And so yeah, so that's basically from there. So once you got an event, and next thing I want to show you is how you can, then nobody is how am I gonna get people like this? Then you need to do something here called a share. I don't have the share button anymore, and so but I can just maybe use this. I'm just creating an event. Because it is a past event, so I don't have the share. You can boost your event as well. So if you wanted to run some ads, you can boost your event. And so boost the event is just a totally different, so you just basically use ads to boost your event and to get people to sign up. And so that is a way to get people to sign up as well, and you may spend a bit of money. That is one way. The way I'm going to show you is a free way. That's what I would suggest you get started with. So this is the event. So then what you're going to do is you're going to share. Let's say because I have got a Facebook group. So I'm going to share into that group. I'm going to share as my name. Then I'm going to share into the group. So let's say I got a group, Real Estate Marketing Superstar. Then I'm going to share with, I think I got a few group, Real Estate Marketers. What my group was share. So let's say I'm going to share with Real Estate Marketer Superstar. Then I'm going to create a post. Say what is this event about it. Then you post here, and then I'm going to go to this one. No, I'm not going to here. I'm going to go to the. I'm just going to show you the previous example I've done. So in this group, and people can see it. I'm just going to show you the event I have done in the past. No upcoming, of course, I haven't done. But I'm gonna show you the one in the past. That is this one. Yeah. So basically in the group, and what people can see is, people can see this event, and so you can invite people. You can invite people to attend this event in this group as well. So this is so far the fast way and the best way, and to convert people from your you can invite people because you already in the previous session I showed you how to add the people from your Facebook friend list to your group. Then you just invite the people in your group to attend this event. So once they attend the event, and then they are going to become your let's say they are going to either become your qualified prospect or become your paid client. So the next one, I'm going to show you how you're going to run the event. The best one to do is webinar, but I'm going to show you, the what would be the best webinar tool to use to do this. And so let's just summarize it, and so you understand what I've talked about. So the first part is you need to create a Facebook page. Step 1, step 2 is create an event on a Facebook page. Step 3 is create a Facebook group. And another one is invite your ideal client from your Facebook friend list to join your Facebook group. And then share your Facebook event with your Facebook group members inside your Facebook group. And then invite your Facebook group member to attend this event. So that is one of the steps for this one.